everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a first time viewer, my name is Mona Lisa. Welcome. On this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to actually make your channel go viral. If this is something that you want, make sure that you watch this video to the end. Now, I see a lot of people using ChatGPT, but they use it in a wrong way. So this is an AI tool that you can use to make your videos go viral. You can use it to create your title, your thumbnails, your description, and even get hashtags. But a lot of people use it the wrong way. Now, if you're a new YouTuber, you already know that these things are what you need to make sure that your video is optimized. Your title, your thumbnail, description, and your hashtag is very important. Now, if you want to use ChatGPT, make sure that you're using it in a way that it is not generating something that is similar to other channels. I watch a lot of people's videos and I know immediately that this is generated from ChatGPT because they are not using it in the proper way, especially with faceless channels. Now, whether you're a faceless channel or not, you can use this tool to go viral. I'm going to be sharing with you how to use this to make sure that your video is going viral. I have tried this with some of my videos and it has worked 100%. Now, make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to be sharing something exciting at the end of this video, so don't miss out. Now, back to ChatGPT. Now, if you want to make sure that your videos are going viral, go on this tool and ask it to generate your title for you, your thumbnail, your hashtags, and your description. Now I'm going to show you the proper way to do it. I've seen a lot of small YouTubers who don't have description on their videos, and this is very bad for you. You need to make sure you're having description, as this would help the YouTube algorithm to be able to tell who your video is for and push it to the right audience. Now when you go on this AI, what you want to do is tell ChatGPT what your video is about. If my video is about gaining watch hours, I'll go on the tool and say, I have a YouTube videos on gaining watch hours. I want a title that can make my video go viral. I want a title that can also create curiosity. Now, curiosity is something that will make your viewers that will make people actually click on your videos to watch. Your thumbnail, your title is the first thing that will attract people to your channel and your videos. So you want to make sure that you're creating a title that can help you create curiosity. Now, sometimes the title that you come up with yourself are just plain and cannot really help your videos. So that is why using ChatGPT, especially as a small YouTuber, is very great. Go on that app. Just if you're not satisfied with what it has created, you can tell it to create 10 more or 20 more, and then you see options that you can pick from. And if you have a specific one that you like but you're not okay with a particular words, you can just say, I like this title but change so and so words, and it will do that for you. If you just go on ChatGPT and just tell ChatGPT create a title without telling it to change the words and all that, it might come out looking the same as every other YouTuber. So you want to make sure that you're working ChatGPT to change the words and rewrite it or rephrase it. Right now, you can also use it to create your description. You can go there and say, oh, I have a video on this, give me a description that can make me go viral, give me hashtags that can also make my video go viral. You can say, give me 20 hashtags, give me 30 hashtags, as much as you want, and it will create for you. These are not the only things that you can do in ChatGPT. You can also create a script for your video, for the entire video that you're about to post. Now, if you're watching a faceless YouTube channel, you will notice that a lot of them usually starts the same way, and this is how you already know that, okay, this person is having their script written by ChatGPT, and you really don't want this. If you watch them, you will notice that most of them start this way. Let us dive into, even when it comes to description, you can see this on so many YouTubers description. So to avoid this, what you have to do is make sure that after getting your script from this AI tool, you want to tell it to rewrite the first sentence or rephrase it for you. If you're not satisfied with what it has done, you can tell it to rephrase it again and again and again until you're satisfied. You can also tell ChatGPT to rephrase something in the middle. Just point out what you want to be rephrased and it will do this for you. This would help you to avoid having the same thing written for you as some other channel. Now that you know that you can use ChatGPT to go viral, please let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it out. Now for the exciting news, drum rolls. So I am going to be going on live every week. If you are following my community post, you would have seen that I posted a poll where I told you guys to let me know how many days in a week you like me to come on live. So on my live videos, I'm going to be answering whatever questions that you have. So every time that you join my live videos, make sure that you're coming in with your questions, as I'll be helping everybody as much as I can. My live sessions would be on Thursdays. A lot of people voted for Thursday, so I'll be coming on Thursday for the live session to answer everybody's question. I'm gonna pick a good time that would work. I'll put a poll out, so you guys let me know what time you would prefer me to come on live. I'll also be doing live audits for channel as well. I have done one in the past, and I'm going to do more live audits for some channels to just help point out the mistakes that you might be making that is actually making your channel not move forward. So if this is something that you would like to be involved in, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a comment, and also click on the like button. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing